We love crepes for breakfast, lunch or dinner alike. Known as pancakes too in different parts of the world, today we will learn how to make the most delicious crepes. I am beating 1 egg in a mixing bowl. I am now adding a cup of water and half a teaspoon of salt. After whisking it a bit more, I am pouring 120 grams of flour on it. You can use milk instead of water, or you can mix the two as well. I am brushing my pan with some cooking oil now. Let's make sure to spread it all around. After the pan heats up, let's pour the batter slowly and make sure that it distributes on the pan evenly. I am moving around the pan so that the sides cook too. When the bottom side of it is done, let's turn it over. You can use a spatula for turning it over too. With the ingredients listed below, you would have 4 crepes when pouring 1 ladleful of the batter each time. I wanted to try and make a thick one using 2 ladlefuls of the mixture, so I ended up having 3 crepes. This recipe would serve 2 people. If you would like to make more, you can multiply the amount of flour and the egg. You can use any spreadable to eat it with. Chocolate spread, honey, and any type of jam would go well with it. Enjoy!